So here is the update on the disposable toilet brush. That was a Temu.com purchase. So basically I was not able to place it on the wall because the included tape, like it's a clear tape, does not, it doesn't have enough adhesive to get it on the wall permanently. So I had to put like I had to put a little bit of the liquid nail at the bottom or at the back of that. So I made sure, you have to make sure that it dries up first so it doesn't fall like it did, if you saw that. So basically once the adhesive is dry, this is how it is. So you have the extra pads there. You can open it up like that, and that's the toilet brush. And then I did try, just so you can see how it works. It holds up actually, so you just pull it out, and then you can, I did make sure that I push it down. The pad, this was like my fourth or fifth use, so the pad holds up. It could last, I think it could last more than 10 brushes, depending on how your toilet is dirty, of course, but that's just showing you how it works. What I did was I just had to, because it gets soaked, so you'd have to push, make sure that you take off, like, I push it in so I can take off the extra water. So when I put it back on the wall, it's not gonna go, have some leaking water. But that's it. It actually looks good in the bathroom. It's nice. And that's how it is. It looks cool.